In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your display name on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're on your desktop or mobile device, let's jump right in and make sure your virtual presence reflects who you want to be. First, let's tackle this on the desktop version of Microsoft Teams. When you open up Teams, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you will see your profile picture, or perhaps your initials if you haven't set a photo. This is your gateway to customizing your profile settings. Give it a click. A menu will pop up, displaying a range of options for personalizing your account. You'll want to select Edit Profile. This is where all the magic happens. Once you've clicked on Edit Profile, you'll be taken to a new window where you can type in your new display name. Make sure it's exactly how you want others to see it. Perhaps you're adding a middle initial, changing your last name, or simply opting for a new nickname. Whatever the case may be, type it in with care. A quick tip: keep it professional if this account is used for work-related environments. Once you're happy with the changes, look for that Save button. Giving it a click will ensure that your new display name is updated for everyone to see. You're all set on your desktop. Now let's shift our focus to the mobile version of Microsoft Teams, which is just as simple to navigate. Open the Teams app on your phone. At the top left corner, you'll notice three horizontal lines. This is often referred to as the hamburger menu. Tap on it, and you'll be greeted with a menu of options. From here, go to your profile by tapping your name or picture. Once inside your profile settings, you'll find an option to edit your information. It's quite similar to the process on desktop. Type in your new display name, ensuring everything looks right. Again, keep it concise and professional if this is related to work. And don't worry, just like on desktop, there's a Save button here too. Hit that, and just like that, you've updated your display name on your mobile device. Using Microsoft Teams for collaboration and communication can be a crucial part of both professional and casual interactions. Having the correct display name enhances your presence and ensures people can easily identify you. Whether you're changing your name for a professional update or just a personal refresh, I hope you found this guide easy to follow. Thanks for tuning in, and happy naming!